Hi to my fellow viewer watching this vid right now. So today I'm going to teach you a variation of F2L which is called pseudo slotting. Then afterwards I'm just gonna show you the entirety of the solve. So here's the scramble. So I'm gonna do right here right now is solve this orange green slot by doing this because there's a slot right here paired up to this yellow, green, red. As you can see, how I would do this is like this. U or let's say U2 RW prime
Asta is
and
skit, would you W
sledgehammer, I
guys?
guess. R prime F
Sorry for the mistake,
R
Asterisk.
F prime, then UW. Then as you can see, the orange green has already been solved. Okay. Now we're going to do the example solve. As you can see, we have a great pairing up right here, or a sequence of how you can solve this yellow green and yellow green red. Sorry. As you can see, you can solve it by doing this, these two edges like this. Let's do like R by doing this U prime, then R prime, then RW, then U, then R prime W, kung ano man tawag dun. And that's it. Now we're gonna continue the solve. Right now there's an F2L right here which is made to do like this way. Wait, like this. R, U2 prime, then R, wait, parang mali na, R prime. Oo nga, mali na. Okay, RU2 pa rin. RU lang, wait. RU, then, wait lang. RU prime, R prime, then, Y, ano to? YX, wait, Y prime pala, tapos, U2 prime, I mean, pares lang yan. Then, R prime, U prime, R. Ayun na, buo na siya. Then, M slice prime, then U, then M, tapos U2, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R. Then, ayun na, and so on and so on. Then, here's a PLL case na hindi ko na i-sequence yung moves kasi masyado mahirap. Okay, sabi na eh. Nakakalimutan ko yung case pag ano. Pero sige, try natin ulit. Okay, isa pa. Kaya ko kayang gawin slow mo to. Hindi ko siya kaya gawin. Kailangan kasi tuloy-tuloy siya eh. Okay. Yun lang. Bye guys. Subscribe. Peace.